Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this one several times in the past, although it's been a while since the last update just because not much was going on. However, that definitely changed today. You look down here at the volume, and you can see biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of price action here and the volume. So let's get some things updated. First update comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 33 cents as that level of support. And whoops, I was just supposed to change that to red for resistance. So that was a level of support, but now, like I said, with the rule, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is exactly what happened. The price fell below it, and then several times right here, price tried to get above it but was rejected, and then once again later on in the day, tried to get above it and was rejected. So while I'm not saying 33 cents is impossible to break or anything like that, I'm just saying it makes sense why the price struggled to get up through there after falling down below it. Again, that it just circles back to that's just a foundational rule in charting. So on any sort of kind of recovery and attempted turnaround, definitely that first key level of resistance that needs to be broken is going to be breaking up above that 33 cent mark. Now, as far as levels of support and where kind of these next key levels are at this point in time, it's really kind of just a matter of where did the bleeding stop today, and the bleeding stopped right down there at 30 cents. So 30 cents, there was enough buyers to kind of stop the downwards push and even create kind of a nice little bounce right here. So 30 cents is definitely a very important level of support, just for the simple reason of if 30 cents doesn't hold, that just implies that the price is literally putting in lows that the chart has not seen for a very, very long time. And assuming you're bullish, that's the exact opposite of what you would want to see. You want to see the price stabilize and not necessarily bounce tomorrow, but you just want to see stabilization, and quote unquote stabilization is being represented and quantified here on the chart by staying up above 30 cents. So not a great day today. But as far as levels of resistance, all about 33 cents. As far as levels of support, all about the 30 cent mark. So let's see how the week continues to play out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.